Hi everybody, this is Dig from Dig Drums. Kind of bored because I've been sick and I can't really get in the shop right now. But I wanted to take a minute and just kind of show the difference in tone between the birch snare shell and the ash snare shell. So hopefully you can hear this. This is the birch. And this is the ash. Now if you can hear that, you can tell the ash is a much brighter and more reflective sound, and the birch is more full-bodied and warm sounding. So I think both of these are going to turn out to be great snares. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.